This is a brand new 2015 Ford Super Duty. It has the power to move what you need and the look to. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, external temperature display, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.